Yeah, my name is Gaurav. It's been like 5-7 years now since I had this hair started to fall, right? So in fact, I was thinking to have some cure for it. I planned to do a transplant also, but thereby like I was worried for the needling and such. So then I came across this Superhairpiece. So I think you guys are doing a great job. Yeah, I was exploring through the internet. I think in Canada, and but you guys are only doing it apart from one or two other like competitive players, but the reviews were good for you you guys, so that's why I'm here. Maybe I saw like some of the videos on your YouTube also, right? So the pictures which Tara, who was who did my consultation, she was very helpful, right? So the videos I watched, like the work which you guys did, it was giving a natural look, so that attracted me. Okay, let's do it, let's try it from them. Yeah, they're all happy. Like, she's feeling like 20 years younger is gone. Let's see. Yeah, maybe not the lack of confidence. It depends upon like every individual's thoughts, like what he thinks about himself. He's confident enough from inside. He doesn't need anything. But this gives you a positive feeling for sure. When you see others, like you'll come to know, oh no. So somewhere down the line, it's there that this is the factor. But so this helps. You guys are there. Don't think, just visit here, then think. Have it installed and then think. Don't think much about it, because it will not, it will hurt you, it will waste your time. So rather take action, don't think. So this is the right spot, right? There is no point of exploring like multiple places. If you are in Canada, at least you have to visit here.